guys, received this Hobonichi order. It's pretty big. Look at the size. Oh my gosh. I bought way too much and I can't wait to unbox it with you guys. And stay tuned. Okay guys, so we're gonna unbox this. Oh my god, it's so big. I'm so excited. I've been waiting for so long. Okay, so it looks like open here. So I will, it's taped. So I'm gonna cut it at the bottom, right here, and across. Even though it says open here, I can't really open. Oh wait, maybe I can. Oh, maybe. Let me try. This is one of my biggest order ever. I bought a lot of stuff. And some of them is a group order, so that's why I have so much. It's not all for myself. Oh my gosh, it's like 2 happiness. Look at this. 2 boxes of Hobonichi. This year looks like a burnt orange, mix of red and dark orange color. This is what I see. This is what it looks like in the front. The side. Okay. Alright. And on this quote, you've probably seen it quite a lot, so I'll just read it to you guys. It says, "It's okay if it were a lie or a joke. Try saying I had something good today too, and then close your eyes. Something as good as a tiny stone is rolling here and there more often than you think." Ah, it's so cute. Ta-da! Ooh! This is the thing I was talking about. This comes with your planner. I think only some planners might get it, like I think the Hobonichi cousin. I don't remember which planner comes with this bag. It says 2023. And I think this will be useful for putting your planner in here as a desk bag. Or if you're traveling. What did I get? Well, interesting enough, this is actually some of the stuff I will be using. I ordered a sticky tape and it comes in 3 tabs, and in total you get 60 sheets for like weekly reminders or to-dos, especially in Hobonichi cousin. Sometimes I forget it. I want to remind myself to do those tasks in the daily pages, but anyways, I use this. That's what it's for. This will look like. And here's some Hobonichi color. This is the, did you say the name? Oh, Happiness Pink. There you go, Happiness Pink. And this is the pink color. It does look like pink. I thought it was more like coral color, but I'm really happy with this color. It's almost like bubblegum color. And then close up, you'll see golden print, and yeah, so that's what it looks like. And I got the English edition. And of course, I cannot forget about this. This is the Hobonichi's weekly supplement, and I use this like basically almost every single day as memory planning. And I've been using this for a while, and you see it on this channel and also my Instagram as well. Be using it for next year as well. Next color is the Lagon. And in the video, it looks more blue, but honestly, in person, it has a hint of like tiny bit of green color. But in the video, it looks more blue. So I'm sorry the camera's not as good. I am using, my iPad to film this, my very old iPad, and my usual camera is my iPhone, and I don't have that right now. I don't have a phone anymore. But anyways, close up, it is quite accurate in the video. It's like silver in print, but the color of this does not match the video. Just a heads up, it's a little bit more, tiny bit green. It could be because of the packaging. I'm not sure if that's why it's reflecting differently. Hobonichi cousin, I'll be using this for next year. This is an English edition, Monday start, and I love how they change up more eco-friendly packaging, and this is actually made out of paper, and you can recycle this easily. Last year it was all like plastic. I love that they transformed the packaging to more paper and eco-friendly. And this will look like. I can't wait to use the English edition. I am currently using a Vect, and this is the full version. And this is a second box. Again, this will be a group order. Oh my gosh, look like there's so many. Okay, so I think the rest of the colors that my group wanted was purple. This is the purple. And according to the video and looking in person, it looks quite accurate. So what you see in the video is the same as in person, and there is in print here close up. It's almost like rose gold color, and that is very pretty. So I am comparing all three colors, and I think I really honestly love these two, the pink and the purple, and I think I might go. I love the pink because I always use pink, and I do love purple. I do have like a lot of things in purple as well, and I have a lot of things in pink. I'm not sure what color, but this is what it looked like. So excited. All English version. And then here comes the 2023 pen. There you go. It's in brown. This is the order that I purchased. The rest are in group order, but I'm still designing the pink or the purple. I think I might lean towards the purple. I'm not sure. I'll decide what color should I keep. Should I keep the pink or the purple? I hope you enjoy it, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye, planner friends.